Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you view the registered users for any of your clients in your Glow account. And it's an important distinction to make that with Glow, your client can access their own account and raise support tickets to you and view lots of different information around how you're looking after their website. So because of that, you can create multiple user accounts for each of your clients, as they might have a team of people that are in charge of administering the website. So I'm going to show you here how to view the users registered for a particular client. So I'm logged into my Glow account on the dashboard screen, and I'm going to start by going to the clients area from the main left-hand menu here. And then I'm going to select the client of mine that's at the top of the list here, Agile. And when the client area loads, I'm going to scroll, I'm going to look down, this inner menu here to where it says users at the bottom. You click on users, and you'll see there that it's loaded a screen that says all users. And there are 2 users currently added to this client's account. So what that means is that Chris and Kelly are both able to access their own account. And from there, in relation to the Agile website, they are able to raise support tickets to me, they can view reports, and lots of other pieces of data and information about how we're looking after their website. So that is how you view the users registered for a particular client's account.